Hello guys and girls and welcome to the new video. Welcome to the new live stream where I'm continuing B.A.G.E.R parser third live stream third live stream I really started doing a parser actively. We're going to in Python because last time we saw that Python has working DXF library. Yes, Python has working DXF library, and we are also in Python because we are going to need some AI models like shape recognition. I decided also license for parts. It's going to be source available license for some proprietary parts, or even MIT license with proprietary parts. So yeah, the source code is gonna be open in both of licenses. Uh, Now it's private until we get some things. I'm on Windows to show my investors, okay, to show my core people how to do things on Windows because they use Windows. By Python it should not matter. Yeah, so I'm on Windows today. Okay, let's reload VS Code. And okay, let's set up this. I'm going to open a terminal, and I tested this setup, so everything should work. It's going to work. I'm just going to show you how to do install of B.A.G.E.R parser. So you clone the code. You install Python 3.10 or later. Python 3.10 here. You have installed on Windows, or even Linux. You have installed a virtual environment. So go try this command source first. If that's not working, then install a virtual environment pip package. It, on Windows, it does, a source command does not work, so I installed virtual environment command. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make virtual environment when B.A.G.E.R parser is generating and we have virtual environment. No, do this. Being activate. I recommend for you to use PowerShell. PowerShell is good. Okay. We are inside virtual environment. I set ZS. I set up so I can see that I'm in virtual environment, but I'm in virtual environment. And now I can do install pip install our library. It's I think I'm in virtual environment. Yeah, maybe let's go source. Being yeah, okay. So I'm in virtual environment as you saw. Let's go source and let's go Python main.py. Okay, we have. So first thing which I'm gonna do is I have deactivate here. Source deactivate. So I don't know why is this broken. It's broken. This is broken when you. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm in virtual environment, but this is broken for some reason. If I use virtual environment, I don't care. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do user input. I'm gonna do user input of file. So let's do arguments. And I forgot how to do arguments in Python. But the thing which is what programmers do after they do some things, they know what to search. So when you are first time working with arguments, you know what to search in Google, you're experimenting, and you go to YouTube how-to videos, and then you know. And but when you are more experienced, and if you forgot how to do them, you automatically know what to search, and you don't use YouTube how-to videos. This is my approach. I used how-to videos before, but now I know what to search. Basically, it's in some cases, in some it's not. It's not function arguments, it's command line arguments. Yeah, import system. Let's see, let's check out Discord. For what is this parser program? It's a program which generates abstract syntax tree of project documentation for a whole excavator needs to dig out. So I have a whole parser is going to generate abstract syntax tree, and the abstract syntax tree is going to be uh, translated into motor sequences by Raspberry Pi Pico. Windows inputs are buggy. More Pico has more inputs than Arduino, and it's cheaper, so that's why I chose it. It's good microcontroller. Uh, yeah, let's see. Does this work? I think they worked before. Let's do import system. Where I use Python. Wait. Let's go. Import system. Uh, let's do this. Yeah. I know. I reminded myself. So let's just do if len of system dot argument. I hate these tabs. Imagine if I had 10 cases here. This is going to be a mess. So I hate these tabs. They're not very good. They're not scalable. If len, actually I don't need parentheses in Python. If len is less than 2, so argument name is 1 and 2 is our file name. It is less than we need to do user input. Path is input enter file .dxf file path else path. So actually I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do path string. Now do this. Path is system.rgb1 and print system dot the path, and it's gonna be path. Let's go do this. square.dxf. It works. This time actually works. Let's do this. Also works very good. Let's actually do clear. What? Perfect. Very good. Very good. I'm very happy that arguments and input works. Okay, first thing which I want to do now is to get positions. This square.dxf is just 4 lines in dimension. It's a square. All lines are equal. So yeah, let's actually get entity properties. Let's go get entity. I never work with this library. The get entity. No, I don't want this. Get attributes. Okay, this might be a thing. Okay. Oh, hello. Oh, we have viewers again. Very good. We are with B.A.G.E.R live streams. We always have viewers. We have viewers with this. Okay, let's go back. So what I want to do? So what I want to do? Uh, what I want to do is get attributes of a line. Basic concept. Maybe it's this. Entities and objects. Okay. Where to look? Okay. How to? No, I don't want to create. Maybe this coordinate system. Okay. What? That's actually free blue one run. Let's ask ChatGPT for help because this is gonna take too long. Get property of line element in SDXF library. I have loaded the file. Okay, load the file. Mm, are you sure this is the right thing? So what we have here, we have element. No, we have for entity. Wait, what? Model. We have model space query. No, we don't. Ah, for entity in model space. We have entity and a handler. Okay, model line dxf. So where dot dxf. So can go maybe here. Print entity dot entity dot start. I don't think this is gonna work, but okay, it does work. It actually does work. Very good. We are on a luck streak today. We're on luck streak today, which is very good. Just a second to let me check something. Uh, okay. So, what we have here, we proved that ChatGPT's code actually works, which is good. Which is good. It's time to move to different functions and classes. It's time to move. So let's make folder dxf and let's do dxf.py. Uh, I'm gonna make this as complex as possible. LL, a little joke I had to put here. Pause just for me to read Discord. Yeah, never mind. We are back. So I'm gonna make a class, and it's time. I was doing classes, so let's go to embal code. Let's go to embal code and understand classes from embal code. From embal code. Okay, so yeah, so we have init. Okay, okay, pretty good. We are gonna do class, but I want I want to put a license here and everything. It's possible. So check out Termi. It's last version was in December. It's not that project. We're just focusing on other projects. Actually, it's not that project because I have to do one major thing: rewrite UI. I have to rewrite UI, and so it's not that project. That's in plans. But I was busy with building a city. This is my Minecraft server, by the way. Yeah, this is Minecraft server. I was busy with this, but I finished a big project, so I can go work on Termi. Actually, Termi will come soon because I finished this big project, and also I have to work on this. This is not gonna die, but yeah, Termi is not dead because I have to work on projects. I have to rewrite UI. Um, let's do this. Again, wrong app. VS Code on Linux is here. I didn't pin it, so it's weird. So yeah. So is this author? Is this how you do it in Python? I'm not gonna put anything. So main file. It's not. It's a entry file. Uh. UI is bro. It's not real shell UI, so you cannot So when program you cannot parse input into running program. That's an issue. You can only run programs. Can only run them. And also I should add the printf support, so you don't need to like change functions. You need to change functions name, so I need to add printf support function, but you cannot parse input into running program because I need to rewrite that. But let's go work. dxf d dot dxf parser entry file. Let's do dxf class dxf, and we are gonna do def init. You're gonna return none. Okay. Okay. So I have a definition init. So what we are gonna do in definition init, we are gonna parse path. Self.path is path. Thanks for sub. I really appreciate, and there will be many parser live streams. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. So this is our init function. Let's make a definition extract entities self which returns none. Actually, it's gonna return something. No, it's gonna be never mind. Self. So we're gonna do this. Self dot elements. Self dot elements. Also, I want to know what elements this library has. I want to also know that. We're gonna do this. We're gonna generate this. So I'm gonna import sdxf. Move this in here and do self.doc and self.module space. What do you mean? Example, B.A.G.E.R. I have pictures of cardboard construction because we are doing a metal construction. We're gonna have metal construction. I can send you cardboard pictures of how will construction look like. Let me just find good picture of it. I don't have any good picture actually. Yeah, I will show you. I will send picture later. I have picture, very good picture of smaller construction. I have bigger construction now. I will send that later. And I have good picture. But we have all dimensions. But I cannot show you, of course, dimension file. I can show you picture. We actually watched the cardboard tutorial from YouTube and expanded the dimensions. We actually combined several cardboard tutorials. to get good shape. Okay, let's go and extract this. Let's go extract this. You are boring. Okay, these steps are boring. In self.model space, self.elements, self.is and self. Okay, we have extracted elements. As you can see, I hate these steps. I hate steps so much. I don't see anything. And you're gonna have definition. If these lines does not if these lines does not exist, it would be 10 times harder. Print entities self. I'm going to do an none, turn on. In self.model space, in self.elements, self.element and self.elements. Uh, Let me just open YouTube chat on my phone so I can read it. Chat. Okay, go to YouTube chat now. Okay, I have chat on phone, so it's gonna be easier because of multiple people. Okay, so let's. Okay, so we have this. We extracted entities. I like these lines. I like these git lines. We have extracted entities, and we are ready to call these functions. Self dot extract entities and self dot print entities. No, don't redo anything. No, the end. Don't do anything. Don't touch anything. Please, this is good. You're just starting off. And this, and we can now go. How do I call class? Shell. No, how do I call this? I'm a big idiot. Tell me how to make. Down here. No, what? Okay, so wrong file. So dxf is gonna be the how do import Python file from folder. Are you okay? From source dxf import dxf dot no ini.py. Oh, this has to be hard in Python, of course. Of course, you need init.py. Why is this? Why this has to be so hard? Using no, I don't want this path insert. No, this is very bad. Of course, Python cannot be normal. Do I need to put something in this? From from dx. Not defined, of course. From okay, let's do this. Import dx. Import dxf. Maybe because init.py is empty. Lib. From dxf. Do I need init.py? I don't need it. I'm happy. This is perfect. Let's run this. It's required path. Okay. Doc is not defined. And where is doc defined here? Okay. Small error happened. Wait, no. I forgot to put self here. Yes, wait, what? Why is this double? No, pretend this is something different. No. 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 Why don't tell me that, people in chat? In self.elements. Okay, now should this work? Perfect. Perfect. And also let's do source.dx. Perfect. Move. So move.dxf parser into its own class. Now this is very good. Okay, ZN sent me something. So let's see what is it. Get the points of lines to form a polygon. Okay, so did check just a second. This. Okay, so for now we have generated this. It's actually making very good progress. Not gonna lie, we actually made some progress here. And now we have to like generate a shape. We need to recognize shape, I think. So just a second. So we generated something very good. This is not going bad. So yeah, as you can see, we have several elements, lines, dimensions, unimplemented, bunch of very good stuff, and we need we can now go to work on shape recognition. We're also gonna need AST generation, and we're gonna need a bunch of stuff. But I'm very interested in this parser. It's gonna be a very good project. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to lunch, so I'm going to be on pause. It's break time to go on pause. Be right back for maybe half an hour. Hello, I'm back. Half an hour. Very good. Full stack developer. What? Uh, hello. I'm back. Very good, very good. Hmm. Okay, the end sent me a code. Uh, okay, so we are gonna. So I'm just gonna copy copy code. I'm gonna copy a code from Discord. Okay, zero dropped frames. Very good. I'm very proud of my computer and my internet. Hello, z int dot py. So we have points. Okay, so we have okay, okay. I understand this code. Okay, so this part is pretty the same. It's okay. I like this virtual environment thing. Okay, so this system. Okay, so I have we have this code. We have me. So we have argument B.A.G.E.R parser. Maybe someone meant full stack, not pull back. But let's continue with code. So yeah, we have points dot append. Okay, bounding box. Okay. Okay. Points. We have points. Mean mix. We have bounding box. Bounding box. Okay, so we have bounding box, and we create a grid. Yeah, so we create a grid. How large is grid? Hello, electronics boy. How large is the grid? How large is grid? Square size, square size. Oh, so you define square size. Okay. You created X and Y grid. Okay. I'm probably gonna go with so I'm well, but yeah, so it's X Y grid. I'm probably gonna just do Y grid. I don't need X grid. But actually very interesting approach. But this is of course not that. This is just an example. Very good thing by Z and good joke. Good joke, Electro Boy. But use YouTube chat. Use YouTube. It's a hot. Use YouTube chat. So what we have here, we have actually something very good. We have this grid. I'm gonna use this. So this is how abstracted the simplified version looks like. But okay, let's do these points. Let's append points. I'm gonna definitely append points. So let's go and append points. I don't. Okay, so yeah, okay. So we have okay. So I don't need to call print entities function anymore. It's gonna be unused function. Actually, I don't have warning for unused function because its interpreter is not compiled, so this doesn't do anything. But okay, I have lines here 000. So I can go print. I can go make uh, steps int null and print line line steps entity.dxl.end. F F no wait oh what idiot am I? Steps no. What you want? Like come on. What is the problem with you, man? Ah, I did something wrong. Line steps. dx entity.dxf start entity.dxf.end. This is our first line. This is our first line. And now we have 4 lines. We have 4 lines. And we need, so I don't know what to do next. So what should I do now next? I don't know. I'm not sure what to do next. I can so I have a hole. So I have a hole, and let's divide a hole. Let's divide a hole. Let's divide it. Now we need to well divide it into pieces, right? I don't think is grid. Well, grid is maybe the best way. I mean, maybe we can go grid by grid, but that's gonna be slow. I'm gonna just do Y grid. Just Y grid is gonna be enough. But let's actually focus. So we have so we need also to well do manifest. So I also need a position manifest file. This is probably gonna be source available license because it's still a parser, and I don't know. It's parser. It's going to be possible to use by others, but you're not gonna get any support. So no support if you don't buy a license. If you don't buy our excavator, so I mean it's Python code. So 2 euros, very nice. Python to dot to Linux executable. Is that even possible? Ah, okay. Yeah, but just Python, so no need to start to proprietary. Actually, let's okay. So let's okay. Let's make this not boring. This is becoming boring now. Okay, let's do some work. So we have I have a shape. Now I should divide the shape. But I need position manifest file. I don't need what? No, I don't need executables. I know. Oh no, I don't need. I was like thinking for of obfuscating code, but no, it's gonna be source available license for now. You're not gonna use our parser in our project. So yeah. Okay, so let's go with position manifest file. I think. So yeah, source available license is probably gonna be the best, cause you get support. You get support, and you get, if you buy our excavator, you actually can use AST. You can actually use AST, which is very good. And you cannot sell our project currently, and that's it. Let's go. So I need position manifest file. I need position manifest file. Uh, to know positions. So I need to know well positions of that. Let's go maybe create position. Okay, how manifest files actually work? No, I'm gonna use Tomo. I'm gonna use Tomo. I like Tomo. Tomo is one of the best config file formats. So let's use Tomo. Tomo is best file format. Not Tomo Python. By Tomo, it's easy to read. It's very easy to read. Just look at this. Very easy to read. You know where shit is going on. And let's go. Let's go install pip install Tomo. Pip install Tomo. From installing packages Tomo. Run Python exec and pip. We have Tomo. No, we have Tomo. I'm also not gonna now create second class called position. Position. You're gonna have position dot py. And we're gonna have position config and file class position def init. Okay, perfect. I'm also gonna add the source dot position dot pcache. This is done. Okay, very good. And I'm gonna do from position dot position import all. So I'm gonna import everything from that. We need path. We need path. So I need to go change this. I need to go dxf path, dxf path, dxf path, and do dxf path. I'm also gonna need less than 3. I'm gonna need a position path string. No, wait. Input enter position, no. Position dot tom file path and position path is system dot arguments to position path, no, position 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 path. Check out ring one go. Oh, so I can just add this. Oh, thanks. Why I code Python like C++? Because I'm C++ programmer. I'm gonna work with it later. Logs. Let's continue. So we need to put some form of location. Our excavator needs to know where to start digging. That's gonna be a little bit difficult. It's gonna be difficult. It's gonna be difficult. It's gonna be I don't know how. It's gonna be difficult to know locations. So for now, I don't know what to do. I'm joking. So I can go now and do position dot tom. Okay. So we have position 5, and let's actually write some toml. Actually, we won't do toml. Now I don't know, but I just got that this parser is too easy to do. But in reality, it's not. In reality, it's not gonna be easy to do this. There are so many combinations, and we need to make them. ST generation is gonna be hard. But yeah, it's gonna be software accessible license. I don't want to make it proprietary. We already have proprietary code. So yeah. Oh, so this is previewers. Okay, let's make this interesting. Let's make this interesting. So let's. So I'm gonna leave positions for later. I'm gonna go focus on the XF. So we have lines. We have lines, and we are gonna divide. So we need to like recognize the shape. We need a shape recognition because I'm not sure what I want to do. You know, I don't know what to do. Not sure what's next step. Google pose. I don't know what should be my next step. I don't know. For my next step. This feels too easy. I don't know why. Never mind. Let's go actually. So what we have here. Okay, can you use YouTube chat? Okay, let's create grid. Let's create a grid. I don't know. Let's go create a grid. Are you charging? You are charging. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's. Okay. So let's make a grid. So we only have this. This is only one version. It's not finished. This is not finished parser. That's in Pico. That's going to be proprietary. That's going in Pico. We're gonna generate AST because we cannot run Python. We can run Python, but that's going to be too slow. So yeah, let's. So you created the grid. I see you created the grid. So we have grid. Well, yes, we have a grid. So let's create a grid. Let's create a grid. Uh, um, so what you have done here, you made points. You made these points. So several points is gonna be empty. This. And we are gonna put decimal points. We're gonna put decimal points. We are gonna need C++ part is gonna be hard. I think parser is gonna be easiest part here. So we have points, and what we do each point, we can you just append points. You just append points. Right, you append points. Wait. Self dot. So yeah, we append points, and with these points we can actually make something. Point in points, print. I switch keyboard. Uh, in self dot points. We have duplicates. We have duplicates, which I don't like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove duplicates. Now we can actually remove them here. Why don't put start and X? Now we don't have a duplicate. We have a zero now. 0, 0, 0, 100, 100, 100, and 100, 0. 0, 0, 0, 100, 100, 100, 100, 0. Okay, this actually works. Okay, very good. So we have points. Now we can create a grid. Now we can create a grid. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna do div create grid. You're gonna create a grid like this. We need bounding chords. Bounding box is basically a grid. So we don't need bounding box. We basically have bounding box already. I need numpy. Numpy is already installed by installing the XF library. So I can just do import numpy. import numpy as mp. But before you return grid, before you return grid, print me a grid. No, don't do this. Never mind. So create grid. Okay. Min x. What is? Oh, okay. Maybe I need this box. Maybe I need bounding box. So 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 coordinates. So chords is gonna be this, and chords. How do I put this in variable? No, never mind. Left grid. Good. So box gonna return something. Self dot point. Now min max min is gonna be self dot box. Square size can be 10 in testing. Sorry guys, I didn't enable sound, but we got this made. We created a grid. Now we have a grid. We have a grid. So what we made basically here is that we created a grid of this. Now I don't want to use box function, so I'm gonna exist chords y chords zip self dot points. So min x gonna be minimum of x chords, max x is gonna be minimum or maximum of x chords. Be minimum of y chords, and max epsilon is gonna be max of y chords. So yeah, so we have 10 squares. So yeah, we have 10 squares. 0 0 0 10 20 okay. XY 0 0 10 0 10, and then you can dig out. Okay. So yeah, we have actually created a grid. So we divided a selection into a grid. But this is only in case if we use lines. So there are many edge cases which we need to cover. So yeah, we're gonna need to cover that. Let me add into readme. Let me add into readme toml library install. Oh, we are not using toml yet, so we have what needs to be fixed? It's working fine. This this we okay, so I've created the grid. We have created the grid. So divide whole into smaller holes. So yeah, let me write triangle. Let's do triangle. 10. This is a triangle, guys. Triangle. Export. No. Save. Save as. Not here. In programming. Triangle.dxf. Perfect. Now let's pass. Let's pass triangle. Triangle. Hmm. How? How? This is impossible. It cannot be on 0, 0. This is 0, 0. So what? You're gonna digged out. So you're gonna do this. No, this is not gonna work. So it failed on triangle for some reason. Okay, weather is going not good. So yeah, I actually divided this into pieces, and weather is going. Weather is not gonna going good, so I'm probably gonna end this soon. But this is gonna be under software license, so yeah. We divided this into grid, and now we need to generate abstract syntax tree. And we need to put it into .bin file. This actually feels like very easy project to do. This project feels too easy now. It's very easy because I already divided this into a grid, but I need AST generation is gonna take some time, so we might even use AI for it. I don't know. Who knows? Will we use AI for this? But yeah, this is actually going pretty well. We have classes, very easy to understand. But the problem is this code does not work with triangles. I know why. Our parser is only checking for endpoints. An endpoint is 0, 0. But this is not 0, 0. So it's not 0, 0, it's decreasing. This point is, well, decreasing. It's decreasing, as you can see, in decimal points. This so we have this line and length of this line, and this is a squared plus b squared. So we can only use I'm actually gonna maybe put all focus now on rectangles, on Square, and then I can go work with others and images and DVG files. We need to cover every possible shape. So now it's not very easy. It's easier when I started. I actually know what things to do. It's now easier to do. Okay, guys, I should go. Thunderstorm is approaching, and I did everything what I wanted to do. Check out Ring Go. Let me well, let me send this in the chat. Check out Ring Go. Check out Ring Go Discord server, and that's gonna be that. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel to support Excavator project, and Excavator project is going very well. We are working on getting a metal construction cut. We have all designs. We have all designs. Cardboard hand is done. I'm gonna make a channel for this project. In server, we're going to follow every step. I'm gonna make a channel for that. Goodbye. See you in the next video / live stream.